Welcome back everybody, or welcome if you're new. Today we are going to be making and canning grape juice and freezer grape jelly. I'm going to be using my steam juicer to get the juice out of the grapes. This bottom pan has water in it. It's going to boil, come up through the tube in the next pot. Then the fruit will be in this basket. The steam comes up, will hit the fruit and fall down into the reservoir there. There is a little hole at the bottom and it's going to come out this tube, and you open up the tube and the juice will go in your container. I've got the grapes in the basket. This is about half the white grapes. Our purple grapes didn't do too good. I also picked some red grapes, but our red and white grapes done okay. I let that go for about an hour, and then I'm going to start putting the juice in I've got just a pitcher here, and that does get very hot at the bottom, so be careful. I've got a chair sitting here to sort of hold the container for me. And like I said, I picked some red grapes. I'm going to put them just right over top of the other grapes. I ran it for about an hour and then emptied it, and then I let it set for about 30 minutes and then emptied it again. And I done that twice because it was just half of the white grapes at one time. Here I had got 3 gallons of the white grapes, about 3 quarts of the red grapes, and also I had some raspberries in the freezer, so I just went ahead and threw them in and went ahead and done them too. I got 1.5 quarts of them. I brought the grape juice up to a boil. I'm going to fill the jars up to 1/4 inch of headspace, and I'm going to wipe the rim and put on a lid and a ring, fingertip tie, and put it in the canner. And as you can see back there, I've saved out 3 cups each for each jelly I'm going to be making. Filled up the 7 jars for the canner. I'm going to bring this up to a rolling boil and process for 10 minutes for my altitude. After the 10 minutes is up, I'm going to take the lid off and let the canner set for about 5 minutes. At the end, I'll show you how many jars of juice I got from the grapes. For the freezer jelly, you'll need 5 1/4 cups of sugar, 3 cups of juice, 3/4 cup of water, and 1 box of SURE-JELL. As I've said before, the reason I don't just do canned jelly, canned jelly seems to hurt Daniel's stomach for some reason, and the freezer jelly don't. I'm not sure why, but that's why I always make freezer jelly instead of just canning jelly. First, you'll stir your juice into your sugar. Stir that up real good and let it set for 10 minutes. Next, you'll want to mix your pectin and water together. You want to bring this up to a boil, stirring constantly. Once it comes to a boil, set your timer for 1 minute and then take off the heat. Pour the pectin mixture into your sugar and juice mixture. Stir this for 3 minutes until all the sugar is dissolved. Pour your mixture straight into your jars or containers. It says a 1/2 inch headspace. I'm going to do a whole inch headspace. Now I'm going to wipe the rim of the jars and put on a lid and a ring. Here's everything I got out of the grapes. The white grape juice, I got 8 jars, 2 jars of the red, and 1 pint jar of the raspberry. And here's all the jellies. You want to let this set for 24 hours, the jellies, and then put them in your freezer. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home.